In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new Google Meet directly from your Gmail account, even if you don't see the Meet option in your sidebar. First, log into your Gmail account. Since the Meet section isn't visible, look at the bottom left of your Gmail interface. You'll see a Meet shortcut or a small button that says New Meeting. If you don't see it there, click on the Google Apps grid icon in the top right corner and select Meet from the menu. Once Google Meet opens, click on the New Meeting button. A unique meeting link will be generated for your session. This is what your participants will use to join. To invite people, click Send Invite and enter their email addresses. Gmail automatically includes the meeting link in the invitation. Make sure to double check the emails for accuracy. If you need to share the link outside of Gmail, click Copy Meeting Invite and paste it into any chat, messaging app, or calendar event. You can even schedule the meeting directly in Google Calendar by clicking the Add to Calendar option after generating the link. When it's time for your meeting, click Start Now. This opens Google Meet with all your video and audio controls. Make sure your camera, microphone, and speakers are working properly before your attendees join. You can also change your background or use visual effects to make your meeting look more professional. Remember, you can mute or unmute yourself and turn off your camera anytime during the session. If you're hosting a larger meeting, consider using the Present option to share your screen with participants for presentations or demonstrations. Google Meet automatically records the time and duration of your session in your Google Calendar, making it easy to keep track of your meetings. Plus, all meetings are secured with Google's encryption, so you can feel confident your conversations remain private. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Google Meet without relying on the sidebar. This method keeps your meetings organized and easy to access, whether for work, school, or personal use. Happy meeting!